How to send fireworks in iMessage. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through on how we can send fireworks in iMessage. So let's get started. Open up your iPhone. After that head over to iMessage app and open up and create a new message. So you're going to select the user where you want to send the fireworks to, for example this contact right here, and then type in a text. Just go ahead and type in, I'm just typing in hello for now, and then you're going to long press on the arrow, the green arrow at the right side. Just go ahead and long press on it, and you're going to find it different effects here. So just select one of them and type in effect. You can find the screen option. So here are different effects available. So when you swipe to the left, you can find different option available. You're going to swipe to the left until you're able to find the firework on your screen. Just go ahead and do that, and there you go. You will be having firework on your text or the effect on your text in your iMessage. Just follow the steps that I just told you, and you should be able to do that very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.